Welcome back to Commercial Finance Experts Canada. My name is Suitron, and this is Camilo Rodriguez from Mortgages Lab Financial.
How are you doing, amigo Sua?
Good, how are you, man?
Very good, very good.
Hey, I just want to run something by you. Competition has been pretty brutal, really. And today, I've contacted HSBC, BMO, CIBC. Yes, these are non-broker channel lenders, right? But I have a lot of colleagues working there, and sometimes for the right clients, I refer to them, and I get paid. And the clients pay me, of course, right? So first I'll give you an update, and I want your thoughts about this. HSBC, for one thing, they're allowing to refinance up to 80% loan to value, getting best rates, no premium.
80% loan to value?
Yep. Best rates, no premium.
Okay.
Right? So 30-year amortization, all good. They're giving pretty much the same thing with rental property as own occupied, same rates.
Yes.
No premium. So. And then my BMO counterpart just came today, and we had a nice discussion. And actually, two of them actually replied to me, and we spoke about it. They can do 10 properties, whereas most broker channel lenders have a limit of what?
4 or 5?
4 or 5. So they double for basically with the same
BMO.
BMO.
Very good.
BMO. Right? And they also offer something that I could not locate anywhere in the broker channel. They offer a non-resident, get this, a second property, rental property they can finance with 35% down, and all they need is a job letter from their employment overseas, which nobody can verify.
Yeah.
So
great program. Great
I know.
program.
I know. That is amazing. So CIBC, on the other hand, cannot do that. So it's weird. RBC cannot do that. BMO is doing this. HSBC is doing this, and they're not the same. See, we all think in the broker channel that all the big fives, including HSBC, are doing the exact same thing. No, they're not.
No, they're not.
They're just the same boat as we are. They deal with different stuff.
But this is, in my opinion, this issue that you're dealing with raises the value of the mortgage broker so high.
Big time.
Because two things. One, all the audience listening here, mortgage brokers need to know not only the lenders that they work with, but all the other lenders.
Yep.
What is the market out there? That's one of the main responsibilities of a mortgage broker. You need to know where a client may be fit, not only with the office that they're working with. So they have to have a broad knowledge. But also, you talk about an issue that I give a lot of thought, and that I have a way of thinking that I love, which is competition. You said the competition is brutal.
Yep.
I tend to disagree, because competition, there is only competition when there is no differentiation of the product. You just told me right here.
There's a big differentiation.
In non-resident deals, maybe you said CIBC, no, BMO has no competition.
Yeah, right now.
On 10 rental of properties, what's the other one? No competition.
Yeah, no competition.
HSBC have no competition on rate in rentals.
That's right.
So they're creating their
own little particular niche.
The niche.
Yeah.
And how a mortgage broker that has no product, how can they avoid the competition? You know how? Doing what I call a mortgage needs analysis. So if you go, it doesn't really matter what the rate is, but if you go deep into a client's financial situation and you perhaps show them, you can go with HSBC. Let's say he wants to buy 3 rental properties. You can go with HSBC and get this rate. But if you go with this other lender, maybe at a 25% premium on the rate, but now you can purchase 3 more properties. The client will think about it. They go, oh, with this lender I can do 1, with this other lender I can do 3 at a higher rate. What is going to bring me more return?
That's correct.
So that's how a mortgage broker will create value and avoid the competition.
That's right. Because then your focus is based on their true needs rather than based on the commodity.
On the product.
Yeah. That's a big differentiator. And you're right. That's what I do a lot of times too. And clients think I'm crazy sometimes when I tell them, let's go with the hardest lenders first. Things that I teach about that doesn't make any sense whatsoever. But why you want to go to the most difficult lenders first? Because if they get approved now, they're never going to be approved later.
Yeah.
Right? I want to use the easy one for later, and that's one of the things. Another thing that I've seen in our community group is Scott Peckford's I Love Mortgage Broker, which is awesome, guys. It's a great place to communicate and to be to vent and all that.
100%.
One of them made this comment about you find your frenemy at CIBC, like friend enemy, a friend from the enemy, basically, right? They perceive the broker channel, most of us brokers in the broker channel perceive that CIBC, or HSBC, RBC as enemy, and to make a friend from one of those. You know how I think, right? You know how I operate. So I think there's something wrong about the terminology, because a lot of their colleagues are very close to me. CIBC, for example, right? Henry is a great guy. I mean, he's my buddy. How can I call him a frenemy? He's done so much for my clients, right?
In my opinion, those are mindsets. If you have a competition mindset, you will think that a person at another institution is your competition, is your enemy, because now you have to fight for that.
Yeah.
You know me and I know you, so we resonate in the fact. It's the other way around. Just recently, last week, I'm not going to name the lender, but I couldn't find a solution for this particular client. And
inside the broker channel.
Inside the broker channel. And I found a lender outside the broker channel.
Yep.
Okay? And he was willing to give very nice terms for my client. Now I explained to my client, Mr. Client, I got finally the solution, because I know you've been declined 2 or 3 times here and there, and I've been with this file 4 days already, and I cannot find a solution. But I finally found one. So this is the deal. You can get what you want at the rate what you want.
Yep.
The only issue is that the lender does not pay the broker channel. Would it be okay if I charge you a fee for the work that I've done? He said, yes, Camilo, no problem. Charge a fee, got the solution. In another mindset, that would be an enemy.
Yes.
No, he's my best.
He's my best friend.
He's my best friend. Yeah. And if you see human beings as a society, the only thing that we beat any other species is because we can work in groups.
We work together.
So if you want to go the other way around against Darwin and the the evolution of the species, knock yourself out. Go and try to do it on your own. I wish you the best. I truly wish you the best, but I know you're going to suffer a lot.
Yeah.
In my opinion, I learn from SUA every single day. I learn from every single person every single day, and that way, and I teach.
Yes.
And that way, we all grow together.
Yeah, and I love it. And I agree that, my biggest thing is that I want to create ambassadors out of my competition. So you know what the word ambassador means, right? Represent the best part of that country, represent the best part of that person or organization. So if I can help them represent me, and they represent, whenever they see the client, they say all good things about SUA. Even though it's CIBC or BMO or RBC, right?
100%.
Yeah,
100%.
they always say good things about me. And my clients came back to them and say, hey, they say good real things about you. You guys, you're so grateful that, Sue's taking care of you and anything. They actually send the business back to me. They don't take it. They say, hey, Sue, your client just called me again. I think you should talk to them about that next property that they want to buy. Right? So that's why I don't believe in terminology of frenemy. They are actually our good friends. They're not the enemy. Right? We make it up them out to be. And as moving forward, they can be vital for us to actually more than survive but thrive in this community, in this I would say the situation that the economy and regulations have forced us to consolidate. Consolidation is not bad. Maybe we don't need to consolidate. We just need to expand our knowledge base.
100%.
Right?
100%.
Attrition can't be the answer.
I've been 15 years in the industry. The last 3 years, I've learned probably more than in the previous 12 years. 12 years.
Same.
And I now know that I've hit the bottom of the mountain, still the Mount Everest.
Yes.
So growing is as much as you want to grow.
I'll wait till in the future when I start roll out the land development construction stuff.
Very good. So let's keep creating ambassadors.
Yes.
I love
exactly.
that. I love that.
I love it. So I hope you guys took a lot away from this one, a lot of big nuggets too. There is no frenemy, guys. They are your buddy. They can be your best friends forever, BFF. Forget about frenemy. They are BFF, right? Best friends forever. They will bend over backwards for you. They are your ambassador if you treat them that way.
You betcha.
And I agree. As humans, we work great together. And we make money together. We thrive together.
100%.
Right? We're not a bunch of crabs. Right?
Very good.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
See you top, guys. See you next video.
See you in the next video.